Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at the functions for upper, lower, and proper. And these are very straightforward and easy to understand, so this should not take long. Let's take a look at this phrase, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. What happens if we use the upper function for it? And we grab this text and we hit enter. It makes the whole phrase uppercase. Very straightforward. That's what you might have guessed. Next, if we say lower, grab this text, same thing. It only changed the one, which was the capital T at the beginning of the sentence. But if I had had other capitalization here, for example, this, it still would have changed all that to lowercase. Let's try proper now. If I click that, it will capitalize the beginning of every word. It doesn't know if you were trying to do title case and say there are rules about which words would actually be capitalized if this were, say, a headline, in which case you'd think that this "the" would not be capitalized, etc., as you might have learned in school. But it just cuts to the chase and does a capital letter for all of the words in the phrase. That's upper, lower, and proper. Next, we'll talk about the cell function. See you then.